Today I'm going to give you a complete local's guide to living in Cresaptown, Maryland. We are going to cover the top things to do, my favorite parks, the top rated schools, and go over some helpful stats about the area. Don't forget to check out the full article I wrote to go along with this video on livinginmaryland.com, the #1 resource for finding the perfect Maryland city that meets your unique needs. All right, let's talk about Cresaptown. This small community is located in Allegheny County, just a few miles south of Cumberland. It's one of those places that's quiet, scenic, and has a lot to offer, especially if you're looking for a slower pace of life while staying close to amenities in a bigger town. First off, Cresaptown has a unique charm. The community has a strong connection to its history, and you'll see this reflected in its older homes and landmarks. Fun fact, Cresaptown is named after Thomas Cresap, a frontiersman and one of the first settlers in the area. His adventurous spirit really set the tone for this community. Now let's talk about things to do in and around Cresaptown. For outdoor lovers, this area is fantastic. You're close to Dan's Mountain Wildlife Management Area, which is a great spot for hiking, hunting, or simply enjoying nature. It's especially beautiful in the fall when the leaves turn into a mix of red, orange, and gold. If you're looking for family-friendly spots, Rocky Gap State Park is just a short drive away. You've got everything here: hiking trails, a lake for kayaking, a small beach for swimming, and even a casino and golf course for when you want to mix things up. It's the kind of place where you can spend a whole weekend without getting bored. For something closer to home, Cresaptown has some nice local parks. Lions Park is a popular spot for picnics, sports, or just relaxing with friends. It's got open spaces, a playground, and plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors without venturing too far. Let's move on to food. Cresaptown is home to some great local restaurants and diners that serve up hearty, comforting meals. Daytree's is well loved in the area and is a go-to spot for subs and Italian-inspired dishes. If you're craving a classic Maryland crab cake, there are plenty of options in nearby Cumberland as well. Now let's talk about schools. Cresaptown is part of the Allegheny County public school system. Cresaptown Elementary School is right in the community and gets great reviews for its dedicated teachers and close-knit environment. For older students, they typically attend Braddock Middle School and Allegheny High School, both of which offer strong academic programs and extracurriculars. When it comes to housing, Cresaptown is super affordable. The median home price here is around $150,000, which makes it a great spot if you're looking for a budget-friendly place to live. Whether you're interested in older homes with character or newer builds, there's something for everyone. The neighborhoods are peaceful and many homes come with spacious yards, which is a nice bonus. One of the things I love about Cresaptown is how close-knit the community is. People here know each other and there's a real sense of neighborly care. Local events and activities, often organized in nearby Cumberland, bring everyone together. Plus, with the beautiful scenery all around, it's easy to feel at home here. If you're into history, the area around Cresaptown is rich with it. Cumberland is just a short drive away and offers plenty of historical sites like the C&O Canal and the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad. It's easy to spend a day exploring and learning about the region's past. Overall, Cresaptown offers a peaceful, affordable lifestyle with easy access to outdoor adventures and bigger city conveniences. It's the kind of place where you can relax, enjoy nature, and still be close to everything you need. Don't forget to check out the full article I wrote for this area with additional links and resources on livinginmaryland.com, along with articles for hundreds of other Maryland cities. Our mission is to help you find the best city in Maryland that meets your unique needs. If you would like to have a conversation with one of our local real estate experts, just fill out the contact form below to get started.